The whole world is going digital and everybody wants to make money online. Everybody wants to get their source of living online, especially the younger generation, because it's easier for us to pick up our phone and make content, edit it, and post it. But here's the thing, you can be so lost if you just joined, and I'm going to guide you on how to navigate the very first few, should I say, days or experience if you just came. Stay with me. Number one, people are going to tell you you need to find your niche. This is the truth about finding your niche. If you keep finding your niche, if you keep waiting to find your niche, you might never find it. What do I mean by this? Okay, me as me, I'm someone who likes a lot of things. I like singing, poetry, writing, I love talking, and I love children. And I noticed I started my YouTube channel when I was like writing songs and writing poems, or if I go to present a poem, I'm going to post it online. But do I get to write songs every day? No. Do I get to write a poem every day? The answer is no. So I got to realize that what if I keep waiting for an opportunity to present a poem or write a song, I might wait for like every 2 months or every 3 weeks before I post something. But in that space, I could show my audience a lot more about who I am. And I believe that with time, I'll be able to say, okay, I want to focus on this. But if you're just starting out, feel free to explore. Explore. Yes, that's one. Number two, don't fall prey for making it till you make it. There are so many people online who prefer to fake it till they make it. And if you look at them and judge yourself, judge your growth, judge your success based on what they have posted, you might never really grow because you don't know what people are doing behind the scenes. It's very easy for me to post a transaction that, oh, I got this money from doing this gig, but you don't I have not explained to you what the gig is about. But because you saw that I was able to get this money in 3 days and you can do it too, sign up for my course and I'm going to share my course with you, or sign up for this and I'm going to share the course with you, or something like that. Some of those things are just ways to attract you to pay money, and they use your money as receipt to attract other people. So it's like a cycle. So I post a transaction and you get attracted to it. Then I tell you, oh, this is how I made this money, and then you pay for the course, for example, and then I use your transaction to attract other people, and the more people I attract, the more people I post online. Now that is a business strategy that people use, and I'm not condemning anyone who uses this strategy. I'm just saying that if you compare yourself with people who use that method by attracting, you might end up paying for a course that's number one, fake, and number two, you yourself might not be able to know how to attract other people to your channel until you get it. Yes, that's number two. Then lastly, number three, not everything that you see that is free is actually free. Just what I've noticed, most times they'll say, I have a YouTube class or I have a WhatsApp class, and the WhatsApp class is going to be free. Now, the part of the class that is free is the part of the class where you are made to like, or it's used to buy your interest into the actual thing I want to sell to you. And most times they give you a part of the course, or they give you a part of the content that is free that they can give to you, and other times they reserve the paid part till after you have attended the free class. Now, I am not saying you should not attend free classes or you should not pay for master classes. You can go ahead and pay if that is what you want. If you know that, oh, after I have attended this class, I am going to pay for the master class, that's good. It's, if that's what you want, that's good and fine. But don't have this mentality that, oh, I've seen this free class and it's going to be free from beginning to the end. Most likely it's not. Most of the online free classes are not free, especially some WhatsApp classes. You have to pay something. So it's either you, I want you to have this mentality that I'm going into either pay money, or I know I'm going to just attend the free class, get to know about the class, and exit the group. Yes. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, share with your friends, subscribe, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Ciao.